Hi everybody, this is Brian Seymour, Director of Instructional Technology for Pickerington Local School District. I'd like to make a little video here today to talk about one of the things that our buildings have been expressing some concern about is these different links pages that we have created in the past that pop up as the home page on most of our buildings. I found a very simple way. It'll take you about 3 minutes to be able to create something new. So, for example, this is Tollgate Middle School, and Tollgate Middle School. This is the home page, and it's got all the different links that all the different things, the main things that the kids will need to use. So, to eventually, these are going to be gone because these are under first class. So, as we get rid of first class, these pages will go as well. So, what we need to do is we need to find a way to create new ones of these. That mirror what it is that we're doing in the past. So as you know, we're moving towards Google, so we want to use some Google pieces and parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new tab here, and I'm just going to type in Google Sites. And Google Sites is basically the way that we can create web pages through Google. So as you open up Google Sites, it will then ask you. Okay, so it may ask you to log in again. I kind of played around with this a little bit this weekend. So all I have to do is go over here to say create. And it'll say, what do you want to do? Do you want to create a blank template, or do you want to create something from the gallery? If you create something from the gallery, there's some things that are already done inside of here that they've pulled. You can pull some things. This is something that we created a little while ago that you could use if you want. Or if you just want to create something that's completely blank, you can hit cancel, go back here to blank template. So I'm just going to call this one practice links page. Okay. And then you also notice down here that whatever you put into here, it creates this, and this would be your new website. Okay. So select a theme. You can play around with all the different colors and pieces and parts. There's lots of different options here for you. Okay. So I'm just going to I'll pick this one. And then you go down here to the bottom. There's some more options you can choose. Okay, site categories, site descriptions. You don't have to put anything in there if you don't want to. Come back up here at the top, hit create. And in a minute, it will create that web page for you. Okay. Now, here's what your web page would look like, and like I said, you can go back and you can change those. Up here you have edit page, add new page, and then some of your other actions and steps. So to add content to this, you just click on the pencil and it pulls up something very nicely. So let's say we're doing Tollgate, so Tollgate student links, we can call this page. And then here's where it gets really easy. You go over here, you click on whatever and copy whatever it is that you want, and just go up to edit, copy, and then go back over to here, click in this bottom box, go edit, paste, and now everything's pasted in there and all of the links come with it. So you don't have to worry at all about relinking anything. When you're done, hit save, and there you go. So there's your new page. All of your links are right on there. So if I click on STAR, it should go to STAR Renaissance Learning page. Okay. So first couple times you do have to refresh this though. Okay. So now everything's right there. You can actually even go in and make some other changes if you wanted to. If you go back into here, you have your layout. You can do multiple columns, so if you didn't want the kids to have to scroll down, you could do multiple different columns, one column with a top and a bottom. So you can be as creative as you want with all this stuff. You can change the font color, you can add different links, images, what have you. But for a real simple little thing, all you have to do is just copy and paste right off of that main website here, that's Tollgate's, and then hit save, and voila, it creates you a brand new page just like that. And then all you'd have to do then is go through and take this new web page here, and that's what you would then link to whatever the kids are opening up their home page, if it's in Safari or Chrome or whatever. Now the nice thing with this too is you could also add in additional pages. So let's say I wanted something in here, and let's say I wanted to create something for STMath. I could create STMath, and I could go create. And now you see, now I've got an STMath page over here. So if you wanted to, you could include quite a few different things. You could do Tollgate links and then have each individual teacher listed here with links that are specific to their page, or however it works for your building. You can have an unlimited number of pages of websites, and it's just that simple. It's just as simple as, you know, typing something in here and copying this and going up to the different pieces and parts. If you want to add a link, you can add a link to that web address, so on and so forth. Okay, so very, very simple, but a very, very easy way to get this page back up and running from where it is that we're at. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll talk to you more later on about Google Sites. Thank you.